Alright, so we need to test this feature. So go ahead and restart the dev version of our application. I wonder what this is stuck on. It's weird. Very bizarre. So okay. So I did remember. Oh shoot. Something just restarted it again. So let's pulling up the dev example. And let's see. Okay, so it's running Claude. Kept the same names. Nice. Okay. Oh, why is it stopping? Okay, so as we can see, it started it and kept all of our terminals and restarted them. So that's nice. So let's see. So create, go live. Okay, we're live. Okay. I want to move this to the middle. I don't know what I should be doing for the other side of this. We'll just do that for now, and then we gotta put so we can have that up there. Alright, so dictation hotkey. Hold the dictate release to type at your cursor. Hey, I'm just testing this feature. Is this working? Hello. So I see a hotkey to create a dictation key. For example, I want you to do a deep dive on our dictation key, and if this is wired yet. I see it in my shortcuts, but it does not appear to be working. Do not change anything yet. Let's just look to see if this is wired or what is missing still. So we need to go ahead and style the scroll bar within the GitHub changes. Something else I've noticed is a lot of the new things we have built do not theme with the other options. For example, if I go to another theme, the entire mic section with the transcript is not styled. The GitHub status bar is not styled. And also the max space selector is not styled. We need to make sure we are using best practice so we can integrate themes in the future, even outside of the ones that we already have. So I really want to look into this. Okay, so, oops, I scrolled too far. Yeah, I would like to add some UI to where I know if something is being dictated. I think we should use our current microphone setup, but it should show different visuals if we are using the orchestrator or if we are using the dictating tool. I am going to load our taste skill. I want to start building out the landing page for this platform. Couple things to take note of. We are going to have a monthly, a yearly, and a lifetime license for this program. We are going to keep it simple and not have tiers. All of the licenses will get continuous updates. All of the licenses will be able to provide insight and get support. It is just the time of the license that is important here. Oh, I don't think I loaded the skill. Let's see what junk it creates. Fuck it. Alright, what are we cooking? Alright, let's organize this. So we have, this one is currently fixing the theming. This one's doing nothing. This one is running our dev server. So this one, let's move over here. We can lock it. This one, don't need it right now. So that's doing design. This is doing design. This is doing nothing while we'll get it doing something. This is asking for voice permissions. Alright, we're cooking. We're cooking, Stella, we're cooking. Alright, so what are the next steps for us adding a full theming system? I want to give the users the ability to design their Vibe Max workspaces the exact way they want. I also think it is important to potentially even add the ability to have different themes on their different spaces. Let's talk about it first, let's not implement yet, and let's find a realistic good approach for this. Okay, since I'm working with this one so much right now, I think I'm gonna make this one bigger. I like that, I like that. Then this one I'm just gonna drag off of the screen actually. Okay. So what are we realistically trying to do here? We want to give the user a realistic theme as workspace data model prompt first, then CSS UI prompt second. Right now themes are basically app level CSS classes. Got it. This works for a few presets. All right, let's start building this out and deploying this system. All right. So I know we created platform-wide skills for the different types of agents we can launch. At the moment, these do not appear to be changing anything. So let's look at how we currently set this up and how we are going to inject those skills into the terminals when we want to. Yes, sir.
I'm listening. What would you like to run? I didn't quite catch that. Try saying, "Hey Max, start 3 codex agents," or organize the canvas. I'm listening. What would you like to run?
Nothing right now.
I didn't quite catch that. Try saying, "Hey Max, start." I didn't quite catch that. Try saying, "Hey Max, start 3 codex agents," or organize the canvas. I'm listening. What would you like to run? I'm listening. What would you like to run? Which agent should I start? Try saying start 3 codex agents, or launch grok. I didn't quite catch. I'm listening. What would you like to run? I'm listening. What would you like to run? Which agent should I start? I didn't quite catch that. Start Try 3 codex agents, Max, or launch start 3 codex agents, or organize the canvas.
Okay. Change those hotkeys. Clear, clear. Alright, is this working right now? Hello? Alright, I'm testing the dictation. So that's not working as intended. Alright, is this a toggle right now? I feel like this is supposed to be where you hold it down. Alright, so it does appear to be actually dictating, but it's going to our transcript only. I think part of the reason why it's doing this is because it's not actually letting me end it without clicking on the icon. We need to make sure that our hotkey is just working when it's being held down. This should not be a toggle. I want the main homepage to be more of a light feeling application. I'm okay with this being the dark mode, but let's go ahead and make default light mode. Also, I noticed we are using HTML. Is there a reason why we took this approach instead of using a React app? I'm wondering if we just need to have another button available to set the settings of a space to make this a little bit more simple to be able to control the actual spaces theme. What are your thoughts? I'm thinking also this could just be available on the right click when you right click on the space you are in. What are your thoughts? Alright, let's go ahead and implement both.